Hello guys, welcome to my video today. Last video we talked about how to post a pre-qualification on your procurement portal for suppliers to apply. Today we'll be talking about now how to add these categories, pre-qualification categories under the pre-qualification that you posted, so that when suppliers are applying, they'll be able to apply each category separately. Okay, you can see from the post that we posted, you can see there is a button said add category. Okay, you're going to click on that button, and then they are going to ask you the category title and the reference number. We assume that you've already prepared a document of the categories that you want to post and the reference number you have given them. So you're just going to copy direct into the system. Okay, if you have not prepared this document, you can just enter direct, but having this document enables you to do this process faster and more quickly. So just copy, for example, supply and delivery of dry cereals and grains is the first category in these goods. You just copy it under category title, and then you do the same for category number. You go there, copy it, and then you come here and paste it. Okay, just like that. After doing that, they're going to tell you to select PQ, pre-qualification lot. This is whereby, remember, we added information about lot, whether it's under goods or services or works. This is under goods, so you're just going to select under goods. Okay, after selecting the pre-qualification is under goods, the next is they are going to ask for category fee, if you are charging your suppliers any fee to access the opportunity, or for them to submit the pre-qualification. If you need any fee from suppliers, then you are going to insert there, whether it's 1,000 bob, 2,000, 3,000, 0.0, just insert it there. In our case, you can just put 0.0, and then after that, you're going to choose the eligibility, whether it's open for all, open to youth, to women, citizen contractors. You can just choose depending on what you have already set for the categories. Okay, then you can write a little description about the categories, maybe telling suppliers they're invited to submit pre-qualification document, blah 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 blah. Then choose the category document. Remember, categories have different requirements, so if you have different category documents, you can upload them in each category. If you have the same document for all categories with the same instruction, you can just upload the same document. Then after that, you're going to publish the tender. So click publish tender. After some times, now it will be published. Okay, after publishing, when you go now to pre-qualification, you'll be able to really see the list of the category under which is it under goods. You'll be able to see eligibility, it's open to all, then fees 0.0, status is open. You can see the document, you can download it there. Then you can see the applicants and the number of invites and bids. This is now for later on, after people have pre-qualified. This is now for later on after they have been pre-qualified. Okay, but for now, we are going to post another category just to show you how this process is. Okay, so you repeat the same process. Go to add category. After adding category, copy the second category, that is in our case, supply of fresh milk. That is the second category under goods. You copy it there. You also copy the reference number, just the way we did with the other one. Copy it, go and paste. Then after that, you're going to select under goods as the lot. Then if you are charging any fee, you insert it there, whether it's open for all, you insert it there, and then you choose the document, and then you publish it. Okay, then you'll be able to see the second category. As you can see, there are now two categories under supply of goods. You can see them very clearly. Now let's do for services, how you create a lot for services. Okay, so for example, provision of consultancy service. These are services, not goods. So you are going to repeat the same process. you go create a lot for services, provision of services. Remember, we need to classify these categories. It's either provision of goods or services or works. So we are going to create a lot for provision of services before we create the category. Okay, after creating the lot, now go to the prequalification list and then create category. On that category, you're going to add the prequalification just like the others. So go to the prequalification title, you paste the provision of consultancy services. You also paste the category number. After pasting the category number, you have to now to the PR slot, that is the prequalification slot, is under provision of services. This is where it comes in now. You select services, not goods this time. Fee, you can insert the fee you are charging, whether it's 0, in our case let's say 0. You choose the eligibility category again, whether it's all, youth, women, and then write a short description, and then choose the document, and then after that you publish it. Okay, that's it. That's how you do it. After it's published, you'll be able to see now. You can see the first category is under goods, the second is under goods, the third one is under services. You'll now be able to see which categories is it, and also under which slot, also under which category. Okay, so if it's supply of bread, it's under goods. Supply of milk, it's under goods. Provision of consultant services is under provision of services. Okay, so basically that's how you do it. But now when suppliers are able to come here, they'll be able to apply each category by itself, for itself, okay, without confusion. So basically that's how you do it. Thanks so much for watching. I will be making more videos about this procurement and how to navigate. Thank you so much. Bye bye.